thunderstorm warning for Belknap County in north central Illinois. In northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lakewood to New Canada to near Kirkland, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana Hills, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Campton Hills, Genoa, Shabona, South Elgin, Cary, Sugar Grove, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, and west of E. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for